नमस्ते बच्चों, एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पे। और आज हम आपके बीच लेके आए हैं रीडिंग का क्लास। इस क्लास में हम आपको रीडिंग करना सिखाते हैं, तो आप भी मेरे साथ ध्यानपूर्वक देखेंगे और प्रयास करेंगे बोलने का। अ स्कूल इज अ प्लेस ऑफ लर्निंग। वी गो देयर टू स्टडी एंड लर्न मेनी अदर थिंग्स। We learn to read, write, count, work, and make friends in school. Types of school. There are many types of school. Very young children go to nursery and kindergarten. Kindergarten means children's garden. The children begin to learn about the environment. Environment means the things and people around us. At kindergarten, they play with toys. They sing songs. They arrange blocks and balls. They count them. They start to read and write. They learn how to play together. After 3 years, they go to a primary school. Primary school is up to class 5. Here, they learn more about the environment. They learn languages and how to do sums. Middle schools are up to class 8. Schools up to class 10th are called secondary schools. Schools up to class 12th are called senior secondary school. Subjects we learn in school. We learn different subjects at school. Languages and mathematics. We learn to read and write our mother tongue. The first language that we learn from our mother is called mother tongue. We also learn to read and write English languages. We learn to do sums in mathematics. We learn to add, subtract, multiply, and divide in mathematics. Environmental study, social studies, and science. We study about our body, family, school, and neighborhood. We study about the land, plants, animals, air, water, and weather. We also study about the sun, the moon, and the stars, music, and PT. Our art teacher teaches us how to draw and paint. Our music teacher teaches us songs and dances. Our PT teacher makes us do exercise. He also trains us in games and sports. They keep us fit. तो आज का ये क्लास यहीं पे दी एंड होता है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि अगर आप इस वीडियो क्लास को वॉच करते हुए यहाँ तक आए होंगे तो क्लास आपको ज़रूर अच्छा लगा होगा। क्लास अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलें। धन्यवाद।